Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from ISHM. Today we are really privileged and we are honoured to have Chef Soumalya Biswas with us, who has come all the way from Australia only for a bakery workshop with our students. Sir, we are really grateful, Chef, that you have taken time off from your busy schedule and given some time to our students, some of the valuable time. Chef, our viewers would really like to know something about yourself.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek. It's my pleasure to come to this college because as a bakery chef, I have been trained in all the parts of the world. I have traveled to Dubai, I have traveled to US, and now I'm settled in Sydney where I'm working with Radisson Blu, Christopher's, and I'm learning and experiencing a lot on breads, cookies, cakes, and I have getting a lot of experience from there. And it's my pleasure to share my experience with the students of ISHM.
Wow, that's really amazing, Chef. We are really I have no words to express the amount of pride I'm feeling to be a part of ISHM and to have someone of your caliber and your experience come share some of that with our students. So Chef, today what did you do with what was the workshop all about?
So, as they were all first year students who came for the workshop, I thought I'll keep it very simple but very basic but very knowledgeable. So I chose one bread, their Easter bread from Greece, that's called Soumalya, and then I chose the Australia's most popular sweet, like a cake, lamington, and I chose scones, that's so popular in the high tea of where I work. So all the three items that I did today was a good bread with a hard-boiled egg in the center, lamingtons with cream and jam, and as well as scones. It was amazing.
My mouth is watering only with listening to the names and listening to the workshop. I really envy the students who were there during the workshop and during that. So what would you think, and how did our students fare, and what would be your feedback on how was the workshop all about? How did the students participate? Was the participation all right?
When I started the workshop, all the students were so enthusiastic. They were so eager to learn each and every step. When I was demonstrating, they were so eager to know each and every part that I'm sharing. While it's writing down recipes, they asked me a lot of questions. I felt so good. As a student, I used to do the same thing to my faculties or to whoever comes to my college. But when I get the same response from the students of this college, it's pretty amazing because they ask me so many questions about the items we did today. What all other things we can do with the same things that we have, other flavor variations, other types of breads that we they wanted to know from Greece and from Australia, other desserts. It was such a privilege to show them how to make stuff. It was really, really good.
Well, as a chef, it was really magnanimous of you to tell it was your privilege, but I am sure the privilege was all ours. On an ending note, I just want it will be an honor for us if you can give some advice to our future students and all the future bakers of our college.
So whoever wants to take kitchen as their major, they should know one part is hot kitchen, one part is kitchen, bakery and pastry, and another part is cold kitchen. So if whoever is so enthusiastic in taking bakery and pastry, you're gonna love it because the first item that comes out of the oven, that smell is uncapturable. So that's an experience for me. You will love the things that you're going to bake. You will love the things that you're going to make by your hand. So I would say every student who is aspiring to be a pastry chef or a baker is going to love what they're going to do.
Thank you very much, Chef. It was an extreme honor to have you among us. So for all you future bakers and pastry chefs out there, this is what ISHM is all about. Thank you very much.